Welcome to this video where we will explore the power of healthy eating and how small changes in your diet can lead to a lifetime of wellness. Did you know that what you eat today shapes your health tomorrow? A balanced diet is the foundation of strong body, sharp mind and a happy life. But with so many food choices around, are we really eating right? Remember, healthy eating isn't a diet, it is a lifestyle. Every small step you take towards the better nutrition brings you closer to a healthier and happier life. So choose wisely, eat mindfully, and fuel your body with the goodness it deserves. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Let's spread the message because healthy eating truly means healthy living. Let's get started. The first one is fruits and vegetables, which are nature's colorful bounty. Let's see their importance. Fruits and vegetables are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants and fiber. They protect against chronic diseases, boost immunity, and promotes overall well-being. The examples are: first we'll see the berries. Here you will find strawberries, blueberries, which are rich in antioxidants, which protects the cells from damage. The next one is a green leafy vegetables. Here you will find spinach, kale, which are the excellent sources of vitamins, mainly A, C and K, and also contains the fiber. Next comes the cruciferous vegetables like broccoli. Then comes the cauliflower, which contains compounds that may reduce the risk of cancer. Next one is the citrus fruits. As we know, oranges and lemons, which are high in vitamin C, which supports the immune system. Next one is the colorful peppers, which provides the vitamin A and vitamin C and also antioxidants. The next one, now the second one is a whole grains, the energy powerhouse. Now you see what are its importance. Whole grains are a great source of complex carbohydrates, fibers and B vitamins. They provide sustained energy, promotes digestive health and helps to regulate the blood sugar level. Now we'll see the examples. The first one is oats, a good source of soluble fiber which can lower the cholesterol levels. Next one is a brown rice, contains more fiber and nutrients than the white rice. Then comes the quinoa, a complete protein source with fiber and iron. Next one is a whole wheat bread. Choose bread with at least 3 grams of fiber per slice. The third one is a lean protein. The building blocks. Its importance are: lean protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, supporting muscle growth and producing enzymes and hormones. Now the examples are: first one is a poultry, means the chicken, turkey. Choose lean cuts without skin. Next one is a fish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. Next one is a beans and lentils. Here you will find the next one is a plant, which are the plant-based sources with fiber and iron. Then comes the tofu or soya-based protein options. Then comes the eggs, a good source of protein and other nutrients. The fourth one is a healthy fats, the essential fuel. Its importance are: healthy fats are important for cell function, hormone production, and nutrient absorption. They also help you feel full and satisfied. Now we will see the examples. The first one is a avocado, a source of monosaturated fats and fiber. Next one is a nuts and seeds, which provides healthy fats, proteins and fiber. Next one is a olive oil, a heart healthy oil rich in antioxidant. Next comes a fatty fish like salmon, tuna, which contains omega-3 fatty acids. The fifth one is a dairy and alternatives. The calcium boost. Its importance are: dairy products are fortified alternatives which are important sources of calcium, which is essential for strong bones and teeth. Its examples are: common one is a milk. Choose low fat or fat free options. Next one is a yogurt. Look for plain varieties with live and active cultures. Next one is a cheese. Choose low fat options and consume in moderation. The next one is a fortified plant-based meals which provides calcium and vitamin D. The next one is limit processed foods and sugars. Avoid junk food, sugary drinks and excessive salt. Opt for natural sweeteners like honey or dates if needed. Now we will see the concluding part. In summary, eating a variety of healthy foods daily provides the body with essential nutrients. A balanced diet helps in weight management, boosts energy, and prevents the diseases. Healthy eating isn't about restriction, it's about nourishing your body with the right foods. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Let's spread the message because healthy eating truly means healthy living. Thank you.